Hello everyone! Today we're bringing you one amazing new feature updates in version 1.2 for our Rigil device side. Let's take a look together. Marker-free laser scanning. Let's see how it works. Firstly, please make sure you're selecting objects with rich features. Symmetrical and featureless objects are not ideal ones for scanning in this mode. And now, please switch into laser feature alignment mode. You can also adjust the brightness according to the environment and the feature of the object. If you're ready, you can click the icon in the middle to start scanning. With this mode, there's no need to paste markers before the scanning. The laser mode can accurately capture rich details on the surface of the object. If you're satisfied, click this icon again to end the scanning. You can rotate the model to check the data and tap OK. If you find there are some unwanted data, you can also use the Edit tool to delete them all. Then tap Complete to confirm the cropping result. And now let's start the point optimization process.